Aloha and mahalo. Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. This episode I'm going to make chicken wings stuffed in Italian sausage and a dill pickle brine. Special appearance by Badger the dog. I'm also going to make a Blue Cosmopolitan and a Mr.Freeze Miami Vice. Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. We've got a great episode coming up. I'm going to do some stuffed chicken wings. I'm going to brine them in dill pickle brine, and then I'm going to debone them and stuff them with Italian sausage. It's incredibly labor intensive, but that's what we're doing for Appies with Chappie by the Lake. And I'm also going to make an incredible drink. It's called a Mr.Freeze Miami Vice. So that's coming up. I'm going to do a quick drink here. We're going to do a Blue Cosmopolitan. So I got my trusty cocktail shaker. I'm going to add a little ice. We're going to do 1 1/2 ounce of vodka, 3/4 ounce of blue carousel, and then the juice of a whole lime. And I got fresh lime today. And then for a Blue Cosmopolitan, you want to use white cranberry juice. That'll keep it blue. If you use the regular cranberry juice, it's not going to be a Blue Cosmopolitan. So make sure you use a white cranberry juice. And that's 3 ounces. If you have a jigger at home, the big part is 1 1/2 ounces. So we'll do 2 1 1/2 ounce shots of white cranberry. And we're going to give that a shake. Yeah, definitely blue for my Blue Cosmopolitan. Alright, coming up next, Mookie has the day off, so we'll try to get Badger, who's the dog, a couple cabins down on the beach to do Appies with Chappie by the lake. And again, you got to stick around for that. I'm doing stuffed chicken wings and a Mr. Freeze Miami Vice coming right up. Come on now, Mookie, you ain't nothing but a hound dog. This is Appies with Chappie by the Lake. We're going to have appetizers and a cool, refreshing drink. Come on now, Mookie, don't be cruel. Thank you. Thank you very much. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappie by the Lake. Badgers joined me for some appetizers. So I got my stuffed chicken wings here. And to go with my stuffed chicken wings, I have a Mr. Freeze Miami Vice. So see here how I made my Mr. Freeze Miami Vice. We'll give these stuffed chicken wings a try. Badger seems to like it. So they're just like little meat lollipops. Oh, it's good, eh, Badge? I can taste the dill pickle brine too. It's fantastic. Badge can't get enough of it. So thanks for joining me and Badger on Appies with Chappie by the Lake. And that's my dill pickle brined stuffed chicken wings with Italian sausage and a Mr. Freeze Miami Vice. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie, and this is Badger filling in for Mookie. What's that, Badge? Badge says life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.